Hi, this is Vijay from Lavin. Today I'm going to talk about the economics of CNC refurbishing, how CNC refurbishing can help you save a lot of money and how they can give life to your assets. Let's talk about how CNC refurbishing or CNC remanufacturing can save your factory from all the capital crunch that the COVID has caused in the last couple of months, irrespective of the sector, irrespective of the vertical. Every factory has gone through significant capital crunch, and let us look at how CNC remanufacturing can actually help save money and protect your assets. Now, every factory, as we know, in the last couple of months have seen a significant downturn in terms of business, and there is a lot of uncertainty for the future, and they have seen they are holding back on their capital expenditure, right? I personally have seen a lot of my customers where they are holding back on their capex, and they are not investing on any new assets. So what I want to do is I want to educate my customers, and I have been doing, and we have seen some very good results where we have been educating our customers, and customers have gone for CNC refurbishing, CNC remanufacturing, and they have seen a lot of value in that. So say you have a factory, and how do you manage your older machines in your factory? Say some of these machines are not in used conditions, or maybe they are in used conditions but they are very old. How do you get the maximum out of these assets? How do you get the maximum out of these machines? So CNC refurbishing has always been an option for that, right? So I want to go through some statistics about CNC refurbishing and tell you how CNC refurbishing can help you to save costs, right? So going for a CNC refurbishing versus investing on a brand new asset. So CNC refurbishing costs 20 to 30% of the total cost of buying a new machine. I don't have to tell you, but that's significant saving, right? Now, CNC refurbishing can extend the life of your machine by almost 1.7 times, and in some cases much higher than that as well. So you already have an existing asset, I have an existing machine. By going for CNC refurbishing, you can extend the life of these machines to a very large amount. Now, another very important thing that gives you an advantage of going for CNC refurbishing is all the existing tooling, your jigs and fixtures can be reused, so you don't have to plan for anything new, right? So it gives you the power to retain all the existing jigs and fixtures that you already have, and also the tooling can just be replicated by upgrading your machine, by going for remanufacturing, and that is a significant cost saving, and it takes half the time to go live than buying a new machine. So for example, if a new machine takes about 6 months to build, CNC refurbishing can be done in about 2 months to 2.5 months, thereby saving significant time to go live with your new machines. Now, overall, your factory saves almost 80% of the costs than buying a new machine, because it's an existing asset. We are remanufacturing. Your engineers are already trained, they know how to use these machines, so you save about 80% of time and cost in going for CNC refurbishing. So in conclusion, CNC refurbishing can prevent your factory from capital crunch, and it can also bring life to your existing assets. So if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me, and Lavin can help you refurbish, remanufacture your older assets and bring life to your old machines. Thank you.